hope you're all doing fine. I'm doing great too. So in today's video, I'll be talking about self-care. Self-care is of two types, inner self-care and outer self-care. We always try and follow ideas to take care of our outer self. But are we doing the same with our inner self? Are we concentrating much enough to take care of our inner? Unfortunately, most of the times the answer is no. Why are we neglecting it? We should start practicing it with some simple tips. Drinking right quantity of water is the simplest step to self-care. We all know it is advised to drink 2 to 3 liters of water every day. We have been studying about this right from our school. But are we doing it? Are we practicing it? I am along with you. Unfortunately, again it is no. We sometimes forget, sometimes ignore, and sometimes neglect it. Plain water has numerous benefits. When plain water itself has numerous benefits, how about adding some magic to it? When it is new and interesting, we always try to follow it. When we try to follow it, it becomes a habit, and habits are hard to die. So now on, let's add some power and magic to the normal water, and it becomes ambrosia. How do we make this magic? What is this magic called? The name for this magic is infusion. So drinking infused water has numerous health benefits to our body. There are various recipes available online, and we can pick and choose recipes which suits our body and start doing it. In today's video, I'll be talking about 5 infused water with health benefits. Let's get started. Number 1. It is a combination of lemon, orange and mint. Citrus and lemon and orange provides a necessary vitamin C boost to your body, which also helps in natural immunity rise. And mint, which is called menthol, which helps in the natural cooling of the body. It is always advisable to add mint in your diet during summers, as it has a cooling property and helps in digestion. So this is the immunity and digestion booster. Slices of lemon, orange along with mint leaves in water infused for about 3 to 4 hours, and then you can start sipping it. Number 2. It is an anti-inflammatory infused water. It is a fruit-based infused water, a combination of pineapple, pomegranate and lemon. Pineapple and pomegranate provides the necessary anti-inflammatory agents necessary for your body, as it has high concentration of antioxidants, which reduces the inflammations inside your body. Combination of pineapple, pomegranate and lemon. Number 3, which is for weight and body sugar control. A combination of ginger, cucumber and lemon helps. As you all know, ginger has powerful medicinal properties, and the gingerol present in ginger has a natural tendency to regulate the insulin production in the body. Along with cucumber, cucumber is a water vegetable which is high in water content, which is high in vitamins and minerals and low in cholesterol. The antioxidants in cucumber helps to flush out the waste from the body, helps in weight loss. Number 4. It is to regulate the blood pressure. A combination of kiwi, guava and passion fruit. It is again a fruit-based infused water. The vitamin C present in these fruits helps in blood pressure control of the body. Number 5. It is a metabolism booster. A combination of cinnamon, green tea and strawberry. As you all know, cinnamon is an age-old spice. The antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal properties of cinnamon help reduce the body a chance of developing various health hazards. Strawberry. The micronutrients present in fresh strawberries help body to flush out the toxins from within. So a combination of this acts as a natural metabolism booster. Now let's see how to prepare infused water. Take 3 liters of fresh water, add in slices of the fruit or vegetable. Let it sit in the water overnight or 4 to 5 hours until all the nutrients are being absorbed by water, and now you can start sipping it. Let's join together in taking self-care and eradicating all the toxins from our body. Stay safe, stay healthy and stay happy. I hope this video was useful. If yes, don't forget to subscribe.